Hi Laura, I just make a few corrections. So overall, it's got some good structure. Um, Remember to begin your paragraph with a capital. So here you use when, so that's great. When I saw our friend Mike yesterday, comma, he looked down. Good. I asked him how things were going. He said that he disliked the rainy weather. Good, you've used because the darkness was a little depressing. Excellent. I told him that I could understand, period. I told him if I were in his place, so careful with the pronoun there because we're talking about Mike, right? So I told him if I were in his place, if I were in his place, what structure do I need there? Can you guess? What should it be? Try many ways to face it. So no, I don't need with there. Although the darkness of winter can be a challenge, period. So that although is correct. It is a good idea to go to the community center for a swim or sauna. Second, he has visited many places and learned a lot of interesting recipes, comma, so he might enjoy cooking and sharing with his friends, period. Okay, and then you need a new sentence. This is worth a try. So I like how you're using sequencers here because that helps to give the paragraph some structure. And so, although I don't, where's your first? Okay, that's okay. You don't need first because you've given him suggestion for one thing to do, and then you're saying second, and then last, maybe he could start a new class, or, so here we need parallel structure. So maybe he could start a new class. So what should the verb be here to make the sentence parallel? Up at a cafe sometimes. Whatever he do, I need subject-verb agreement here, comma. I hope he will find ways to feel better. Excellent sentence. Let's try to get together soon. So great. Overall, it's great. You just, there's a few mistakes, but I think you're on the right track.